So yeah, I was trying to run an old code, and while I was trying to install pycurl on my Linux machine, I was getting a lot of error. So the first error that I got was no such file or directory curl config. When I was trying to run pip install pycurl, okay, when I was trying to run that, I got this error. So after digging around a bit, I had to install the library curl for OpenSSL package because it is required. It requires that executable path, which we didn't have. So this was the first command that we ran on Ubuntu. On other you can find. So this is the lib library curl for OpenSSL dev. On CentOS and all, this is the command. On macOS, this is the command. Okay. After you run that, and then we try to run the installation again, we get another error. The second time the error was that using legacy setup.py because wheel is not installed. Okay, since wheel was not installed, it was getting it. Wheel is another package which was not installed, so it required wheel. Okay, so I went ahead and installed wheel, pip install wheel. Now the sudo command that I showed earlier, that was for your whole system. Okay, as you can probably guess. So this was on your whole system. So you open the terminal and then you type it there. The wheel command that you have to do inside your virtual environment where you have the code. Hopefully you are running in a virtual environment. You should be running in a virtual environment. Okay. So after doing that and running it, I still got the error that building wheel for this is error. It did not run successfully. And same different kind of error that this file is not available. And so the last thing was python3-dev. Okay, so once I installed python3-dev and then I completed it, then I ran the pip install packages again. It is working fine.